Hey boys, we'll be trying out this question today. I tried beforehand, so I somehow know the answer already. Yeah. So if you are given an array 1, 2, 3, you want to find the minimum number of moves to make all the array equal. So 1, 2, 3, want to return 2, 2, 2, something like this. So the key thing here is to find the middle number, and if you want to find a middle number from this 110 to 9, it doesn't really work. We want to find the middle number of the sorted array. So the array has to be sorted. So we say sort arms dot begin, arms dot end. So now the array has been sorted. We need to find the middle number. So in order to find the middle number, we do something like this. Int mid equals to nums dot size. We find the size of the array and we divide by 2. Then how do we find the middle number, median? We just say nums mid, and that's it. So we want to count the now number of times that we have to increment uh, or decrement the move. We will just say answer equals to 0. And for now, we just have to loop through the array. So auto I, we can say number instead, number and nums. So answer plus equals to absolute. Absolute is important just in case that the number is negative. So yeah, and we want to return answer. So sorry about the background noise. Yeah, let me just shift this away. And voila. Yeah, so I was trying a few times. Yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.